One morning, Motu found a colorful talking parrot outside his house. Much to his surprise, the parrot suddenly said, "Good morning, Motu." Shocked, Motu ran to Patlu. The two friends decided to take care of the talking parrot, but it had a habit of repeating secrets. Motu told Patlu about stealing samosas, and the parrot repeated it loudly. Soon, the whole town knew Motu loved samosas, and Inspector Chingam arrived. Motu tried to chase the parrot, but it kept flying and shouting, "Motu loves samosas." Finally, Patlu made a plan. He offered the parrot a samosa. Patlu asked the parrot to say something nice instead. The parrot replied, "Motu is brave and kind." Everyone laughed happily. Motu forgave the parrot, and they became friends. From that day, Motu learned, never tell secrets to a talking parrot.